In this video, I will teach you how to create project tracker in AppSheet. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to appsheet.com on your browser. If you don't have an account yet, you can start for free by clicking on Get Started right here and signing up using your Google or Microsoft account. But if you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In and enter your login details. Next thing you have to do is to open your Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet, which I already did right here. You can label the per sheets as project and include columns like project name, start date, end date, status, and assigned to. This sheet will serve as your data source. Now you can go back to AppSheet and click Create right here to make a new app. Just have to click on App and click on Start with Existing Data. Now you can name your app, let's say projects right here, and choose the category you want it to be. Then you just have to click on Choose Your Data and click on Google Sheet as your data source. Now, you just have to search for the Google Sheet that you just created and select that as your data source. Now AppSheet will automatically generate a basic app from your data. You just have to wait for it to load. Now AppSheet will automatically generate and you can just go to UX tab, which is right here, and edit how the app looks for you. It can be anything on your view type. It can be a calendar deck or form onboarding or whatever you want it to be. You can set up views like a project list, a form to add new project, or a dashboard for overview. To make it more dynamic, you can go to Data tab, which is right here just on the left sidebar, and click Status, which is right here, and change the type to enum right here. You can also add options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. You can also create slices to filter by status for custom view. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.